morning, guys. It is Monday, July 13th, I believe. I'm currently waiting for my coffee to finish brewing, and I'm trying to have a really good day. I have a couple of things I'm working on, and I have something that came in from Amazon, which I want to hang up today, so I'm going to show you guys that. And yeah, let's just go ahead and do random things today. So first things first, because I don't want to feel like all crazy with the caffeine, I'm gonna go ahead and make a quick breakfast. My food. Now I'm going to enjoy breakfast while I look through my planner, and then I'm gonna start with emails, and we're just gonna have a productive day. Hey, what's up you guys? So it is the next day. I got a little bit busy yesterday, got a lot done, which is really good. And today I wanted to focus a bit on my bedroom. I got a new package from Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and open that up, and I have another package I believe coming tomorrow or the next day. So yeah, we're just gonna be working a bit on the room this week, and let's go ahead and open up that first package. Well, time to pick this up. I really would do this, honestly. Here we go. All right. All right, now that that's picked up, let's continue. It's a shelf. But yeah, we're gonna be using this guy. It's smaller than I thought, but it's way like nicer than I thought it was gonna be too. All right, so time to get started. I looked at the instructions and it says that I need a drill bit and a hammer, but I don't have that. It's because of these guys, expansion pipes. So apparently I need it for that, but I don't have that stuff. I saw online that I could just like use the screwdriver, so I'm gonna do that. What you guys didn't see me do already was put the shelf up there and level it. I used my phone to record these videos, so I couldn't show you because I was using the measuring app, which is a leveler. You can use it as a leveler. I didn't even know that until I saw that video on YouTube. So if you don't have a leveler, use your iPhone app. It's just called Measure. Anyways, so I leveled it out, made it all even, and I don't have a pencil. This pen wouldn't allow me to mark through the little holes. So I just used the screw and like pushed it in, so I made like a little mark as to where I have to screw. So I'm gonna get started. I'm going to start making a hole in the wall, and then I'm gonna somehow hammer this through and then screw this guy through. So let's get started with that. So like I said, I made little marks as to where the 3 holes need to be. So what I did first was use the screw and the screwdriver to make a hole through that. And now I'm gonna get one of these guys, and it says to hammer it through. I don't have a hammer, but I'm gonna figure it out. Okay, so funny thing happened. I was putting in this guy, right? And I don't know if you can see in there, probably can't, but it stopped going through because there's actually wood back there. And it's not just all like plaster wall or drywall, or I don't know what the heck it is. So since there's literally a wooden wall back there, I'm just gonna have to use the screw. So I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna do it directly to the wall, put the shelf on the wall, screw that in. But I also had an idea for like extra protection. I have these Velcro command strips, and I swear these guys are awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of these on the shelf as well, just for extra protection. So like on the space, the gaps where you don't see the holes, I'm gonna go ahead and put some of the Velcro strips on there, and those don't damage the walls at all. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, you guys, so it looks really good. And the fact that I added the Velcro strips, you can see there's just a little gap because of the strips, but it's extra support. And then these guys went into wood, so it's gonna be even better than like just going through the wall. So I am pretty excited, and I'm gonna go ahead and put up some little plants. And I'm also gonna go ahead and open this window. Sweet, cute. All right, let's go ahead and put some plants up there. So we have these two guys so far. It looks so tiny, but honestly in person, like it's perfect. Okay, so I think that's all I want to put on the shelf right now. It looks like a lot, but in person, I don't know. It looks pretty nice. It's just gonna look so much better once these plants are really trailing more. So yeah, I'm really happy with it actually. So let's go ahead and move on to the next thing I have planned for the bedroom. So this is the other thing I got, linen frame. Let me show you guys what it is that I was going to put in this. So my bestie Anna got me this awesome art print, and it's gonna go in here. Oh my gosh, how dope does that look? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this guy like in half this way. Okay, it's up and I love it. I love it. It looks so cute. Okay, so we have our new print right here, and then I decided to just remove the propagated monstera and put it down there. I think I like it just simple, and then as these plants start to trail, it'll look really cute. I really like it. I think it looks really cute. And then what's fun about it is that the shelves can always be changed up a bit. So I went ahead and closed the window just so you guys can see what it looks like. Yeah, I think the shelf should have been a little bit longer, but honestly, I couldn't find any that were longer than this, that had good reviews, and that were this color. So I think it's good. And then once the plants can trail, you're honestly not even gonna notice. So it is the next day, and we have one last mini project that we're doing in the bedroom. So remember last time we did all that, hung up that, and I just got a package from Amazon, and I got these guys. They are like faux leather dresser pulls for this dresser that I have. I first of all didn't want a white dresser, but you know me, went on OfferUp, and this is the best dresser I could find. I like it. but I just think it's like too high. I kind of wanted like those longer ones. That way the vanity mirror can be a little bit lower, but I can just like change it out later. But for now, to help it look a little bit nicer, I'm gonna be removing these for the little faux leather handle pulls. So let's go ahead and get that started. All right, so this was a pretty good, I can't remember how much these cost, but they were definitely under $20, and it came with 6, which is the exact amount that I need. Okay, so these are cool. So it was kind of confusing because it shows 2 up here and then 1 down here, but clearly you just have to like do the bottom and then go over to the top. So it could just be like that. This guy is for the front. That's what it looks like. Super cute. And then this guy's gonna screw into the back with the washer. So they don't fit. This is too small for this guy. It won't go all the way. Yeah, see, it stops there. And then this guy is too short to go through the drawer. So I'm gonna have to go to Lowe's and get one that is this small in diameter, but this long. So we're gonna do that. And honestly, we're just gonna go ahead and do that right now. Yeah, I really wanted to do this, so guess we're going to Lowe's. Hey guys, so it is the next day. It got a little dark yesterday, so I couldn't show you what the dresser turned out to look like, or what the dresser turned out like, but I can show you right now. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and I think it makes the room look so much better. So that's what they look like. So good, so good. I love it, I love it. So yeah, I'm really happy with how the room turned out. It's really simple and comfortable. So I'm pretty sure I'll be moving things around. I always do. I always change things up a bit. But for the meantime, it's nice. I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the entire room. Liked this video. I'm trying to think of if I moved anything. I think I changed that up since you guys last saw. I just decided to make it a little bit more simple. I added this Mexican blanket just to add some color, but I'm definitely going to be changing up my bedding sometime soon. The plants might change too, just little things like that. But yeah, thanks again for watching, guys, and I hope this gave you a little bit of inspo. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I have a bunch of inspo on there and I'm always posting. So yeah, thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.